Bitcoin back under pressure as crypto bear market looms. Bitcoin is having the worst start to the year since 2012, its price dropping to below $40,000 for the first time since September last year. This has brought Bitcoin's value loss so far this year to 14%. The world's largest cryptocurrency has recovered, though, to sit slightly above $42,000, but it's still a considerable fall from its record high of $68,500, which it hit a mere 2 months ago in November 2021. Let's find out more in this video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm Sage for Kalkinemedia. Crypto's under pressure. The riskier assets, which cryptocurrency is the most volatile due to its inherent risk factor, have significantly suffered recently as the Federal Reserve has tightened policy withdrawing funds from capital markets. CEO of Infrastructure Capital Advisors Jay Hatfield told Al Jazeera that as the Federal Reserve holds back on its liquidity injections, the effect on cryptocurrency will be increasingly pressurized and may end up being below US $20,000 by the end of this year. Is the party over for Bitcoin? The tightening of the policy of the Fed will likely continue Bitcoin's downward spiral and the value of the broader crypto market. The reduced liquidity from the market affects riskier assets like crypto than the general market because those investments are significantly more volatile than the overall market and therefore have considerably more risk premium than the average stock. And this is a very different story from the past 2 years, which saw the crypto market rise to a new level as its popularity grew to include mainstream investors, both individual and institutional. Then in 2021, Bitcoin more than doubled to its peak of US $68,500 on November the 11th. The vastly increased investment in altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu saw the crypto space move to a new level in 2021. So why now? The growth throughout these couple of years might seem strange, considering the world was in the grips of mandated lockdowns caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. But keep in mind the time it has taken for the economy to catch up. Last October, the Bureau of Labor Statistics revealed the US inflation rate had risen to 6.8% over 2021, which was its highest point since 1982. Before that time, the Fed had seen no reason to cut liquidity and tighten policy, which meant people were freer to invest in riskier assets. There's also an argument that the sell-offs that have occurred across the market and in Bitcoin have been executed by short-term traders rather than the long-term investors. And this makes sense when you consider that those trading in cryptocurrency expose themselves to more risk than those keeping their capital in Bitcoin and the likes for the long term. So what does the future hold for the crypto market? We can probably expect more crypto sell-offs soon as investors calculate that the faster the Fed will act as inflation increases. In the longer term, Bitcoin has a good chance of rising even more in value than its peak last year as the world increasingly goes digital. Thanks for your company on the report, but if you like the information, let us know by liking, sharing and commenting on the video below. Subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to be notified of the latest videos by Kalkine. For more articles like this, please check out the website. It's kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for Kalkinemedia.